Hello and welcome back to KM Webworks. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, we will fix this error. When we go to any page on our website, we see this error URL was not found on the server. And when we go to the dashboard, and here you can see that we have the page already. But when we go to the page, then it shows this error. So let's see how we can fix this error. So this error occurs when we don't have the htaccess file in our WordPress directory. So to solve this error, you need to go to the cpanel and then you need to access your file manager. So first of all, access your hosting and then go to cpanel and then go to file manager. So here you can see I have the file manager opened, and you can see that I don't have the htaccess file over here. So we need to add the htaccess file in the file manager. To add the file, just go to your WordPress dashboard, and here you need to scroll down and go to settings and then select permalinks. Here you don't need to make any change, just scroll down and click on save changes. Now go to the file manager again and click on refresh. Here you can see that htaccess file is created. Now go to the website and click on refresh where the error is occurring. Here you can see that the error is solved. Now let's go to the home page. And here you can try to access other pages as well. And you can see that the error is gone. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.